Ant, Alibaba plan for less intertwined future after China crackdown. Beijing, Singapore Ant Group and Alibaba NYSE, BABA are entangling their operations from every different and independently looking for new enterprise because the Jack Ma-founded groups navigate China's devastating regulatory crackdown, four sources acquainted with the matter said. E-commerce massive Alibaba Group holding created what could come to be payments and economic offerings company Ant and spun it off in 2011, even though it nevertheless keeps a 33% stake and the two corporations have some overlap in leadership. However, the duo have began to unwind some of their collaborative preparations as they are attempting to recover from a sweeping technology area clampdown that has sliced hundreds of billions of greenbacks off their price, shrunk sales, and caused a document $2.8 billion first rate for Alibaba. In movements that might have been unbelievable 2 years ago, the associates have started out to limit get entry to every other's offerings, compete for clients and even strike alliances with competitors, stated the four resources, who spoke on condition of anonymity because they had been no longer approved to talk to the media. Ant touted the corporation's near ties as a main selling factor at some stage in preparations to launch a document $37 billion preliminary public offering (IPO), before Beijing abruptly pulled the plug at the flow in late 2020. It is now emphasizing its independence from Alibaba, especially because it expands foreign places, in keeping with two of the resources, at the same time as Alibaba is constructing a cross-border transaction tool that might compete with Ant. Ant declined to comment. Alibaba did now not respond to a request for comment. Alibaba counts around 1.3 billion annual customers throughout its marketplaces who generated over $1.3 trillion in gross products fee (GMV) for the 12 months to March 2022. It additionally has a set of different organizations ranging from cloud offerings, to video streaming to journey bookings. Ant operates China's ubiquitous mobile fee app Alipay, which has more than 1 billion users. With Alibaba's marketplaces recording extra than double the GMV of US peer Amazon, Nasdaq, AMZN, for the financial 2021 12 months, the organization changed into as soon as the pride of Chinese innovation, portraying corporate power on the global level. Ma even boasted the organization could come to be as massive as the arena's fifth biggest economic system. The actions via Ant and Alibaba towards operational separation underscore the new truth in China's enterprise panorama, as President Xi Jinping's government frowns upon a tension of strength inside the arms of private sector conglomerates. Authorities are cautious approximately once freewheeling, platform economic system, companies crowding out smaller competitors and the dangers they pose, though there are signs and symptoms now that the clampdown is being step by step eased. Having organizations sprawling in both finance and generation may be deemed as too effective in China, consequently, politically incorrect, said a Beijing-based fintech government, who declined to be named because of the sensitivity of the matter. Ant, that is inside the midst of a regulatory-driven transformation, seems to be making development in its bid to revive its IPO. Reported last week, mentioning assets, that China's Vital Bank had popular Ant's software to installation a financial preserving agency, a key step to finishing its revamp. The important bank, that is riding Ant's reorganization, did no longer respond to a request for comment.